So we're starting off by switching on the Thermomix and go straight to the weekly planner. As you can see, I've already planned both the UK and the Italian Torta Pasqualina recipe. I'm selecting the Italian one for the dough because it's a nice and easy recipe. All you need is literally flour, water, olive oil and salt. It's a very, very easy recipe which takes about 2 minutes in the Thermomix. Now, when it comes to flour, you're supposed to be using double O flour. I didn't actually have that at home and I couldn't get hold of it, so I used a mixture of spelt flour as well as gluten-free plain flour. If you don't have any of those, you can use strong bread flour, that will also do. We add 220 grams of water and then 20 grams of olive oil. As already mentioned, I used extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you like, and then a pinch of salt. And that's about it. Very easy, as you can see, nice and straightforward. Okay, and then we get the Thermomix, do the magic for us, 2 minutes kneading, and then before you know, the dough will be ready for you. Here it goes. Beautiful. You can see because I use spelt flour, it's not white dough, but that's absolutely fine. It makes it more rustic, it makes it more authentic. So we're going to decant the dough in a bowl. Nice and easy. And then we are shaping it into a bowl and wrap it in cling film. Leave it to rest for about half an hour and carry on with the recipe. While the dough is resting, we're preparing the filling for the Torta Pasqualina. Now I'm following the UK recipe for that purpose, so all I've done is simply to grate some parmesan in the Thermomix, which only took about 10 seconds. And then I carry on with the remainder of the ingredients. So I've got some flat leaf parsley, some garlic cloves. It all gets mixed together in the Thermomix, and then we scrape everything down with a spatula. After that, you need to add some olive oil. I've used extra virgin olive oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. We also add some artichokes. This will give a nice tangy taste to your filling. We then position the lid on top of the Thermomix bowl and then arrange some baby spinach leaves in the varoma, which will be sitting on top of the Thermomix. A few minutes later, you can check how the spinach is wilted, and we can then add it to the mixing bowl. We also add some porcini mushrooms previously soaked in hot water. Cook that together, then add some seasoning. And then we add the reserved parmesan, 4 eggs, some ricotta cheese, and some cream. You can use double cream, or if you don't have double cream, you can use creme fraiche. We mix all the ingredients and that's our filling. We pour that into the previously prepared pastry case, and then we make 4 gaps into which we break 4 small eggs. We covered our torta with the remaining third of dough, give it a egg wash, and then make a cross-like incision to let the steam out. Bake in the oven for an hour, and there you have it, Torta Pasqualina. I hope you enjoy. Happy Easter!